Hello dear students, this is Kailas Tidke, lecturer in English. Today we are going to see unit number 2, that is comprehension. Already we have seen unit number 1, that is applied grammar. So in this particular unit we are going to see 9 articles. So out of which the today's first article is Shiva's blessings. So let's start. The agenda of this today's particular module is to study the course outcomes, unit outcomes, importance of comprehension, then the actual topic we are going to study, that is Shiva's blessings, then brief summary of the chapter and followed by glossary. Before going to begin the actual chapter, we'll try to understand what is the course outcome of this particular chapter, what are the unit outcomes. So let us see. The course outcome of this particular chapter is summarize the comprehension passages. Okay, so this is what the course outcome is. Means whatever seen or unseen passages may be given, the student should be able to summarize the comprehension passages. The unit outcomes are the writing skill and speaking skill. These two skills are being developed in this particular chapter. So this writing skill comprises answer the given questions of the specified passage. Second is formulate sentences using the given new words. Next is use correct syntax to construct meaningful sentence for the given situation. And the last unit outcome in the writing skills is answer the questions on the given unseen passages. Means whatever passage you have tried to understood or you have read, just give the answers according to your comprehension. Then second unit outcome is speaking skills. Pronounce the words correctly in the given passages. Or second is give oral instructions with correct pronunciation and intonation for the given situation. And the third speaking skill we are going to develop is answer the questions orally on the given unseen passage with correct pronunciation. Okay, so these are the unit outcome. You need to remember what is the course outcome of this particular chapter, then what are the unit outcomes, means what abilities we are going to develop after studying this particular lesson, that you have to remember in detail. So let's start the actual topic, this reading comprehension. What is the importance of comprehension? We'll just try to understand the brief introduction, that comprehension is an ability to understand something. In context with language studies, comprehension is an exercise where content is understood. Okay, comprehension is an ability to understand something, means any content, any text matter or anything, if a candidate deserve the ability of understanding that particular words or that particular sentence, is called as comprehension. So we can define like this, where the content is understood, incorporated and reproduced in own words. And whatever you have tried to understand, just try to comprehend it and try to reproduce some words in your language. Okay, or try to understand in your language. That is called as simply the comprehension. Why this comprehension is needed? Especially for the engineering professionals and students, comprehension plays a very crucial role. See, an engineering professional has to understand technical as well as non-technical concepts, ideas or messages at workplace. Thus, there is a need of understanding the unfamiliar content by paying careful attention to context and reproducing the same if required. Before joining an industry, an engineering student has to face a recruitment process where comprehension is used as a tool to find out how well a candidate understands content and language. Now see friends, in the previous few video lectures we have already seen what is the importance of communication. Okay, so this comprehension is also the part of good communication. If you have ability to understand particular contents, then you will get proper opportunities, especially for the engineering professionals and students, those who are the job seekers. They need good command on language. They must have good comprehension ability to get into any golden opportunity for making their career. So for all the recruitment processes, they used to check whether the candidate is able or not. So for all these purposes, comprehension is important. Okay, you should understand particular content in the given context. Okay, so remember the definition or the importance of comprehension in short. Now we'll try to understand actually what is there in this chapter, Shiva's blessing. Okay, Shiva's blessing. This chapter is written by Aditya Sharma. This is particularly a seen passage. There are two types of comprehension. One is unseen and another is seen passage. Means these chapters are given in the MSBT manual. So you will have to read this chapter carefully. Try to understand the difficult words and few concepts so that you will get to know or you will get proper comprehension of the lesson. So let us start. In this particular chapter, Shiva's blessing, there is a boy. His name is Shiva Kumar. He is very poor. His family economical condition is also very weak. Means they don't have enough financial earning. That's why they are struggling a lot. And this N. Shiva Kumar, he is a very ambitious boy. He wanted to pursue his school education, his college education, and after that he wanted to get a golden job opportunity. For that he does any type of work, whatever he gets, and he try to earn the money. And later on he meets a person named Krishna Vedvas, and how did that Krishna Vedvas helped him? He guided him throughout his career point, and later on this Shiva Kumar gets success. Okay, so this is what the story of this chapter is. We'll just take a overlook on this chapter so that we can understand what is exactly given in the chapter, and it would be easy for us to answer the questions given below the chapter. So let's start. 14 years old and Shiva Kumar was delivering newspaper early in the morning. So this is what the job of Shiva Kumar was. He was delivering a newspaper. The 8th standard student was deeply troubled. It was the start of academic year and his father, an out of work lorry driver, did not have 15,000 to pay his annual fees. Means his father was and out of work. He did not have any type of work because he was a lorry driver. Now see, a driver doesn't have any type of job and he can't do any other job also. That's why how can he earn 15,000? And it was not possible for Shiva Kumar to pay his school fees. The amount is 15,000. So Shiva was afraid he would not be able to continue his schooling. There was nobody he could ask for so much money. There was no one to support him, isn't it? There is no one to support him as far as the financial matter is concerned. That's why Shiva Kumar was tremendous afraid that he would be rolled out from his school if he doesn't pay 15,000 rupees. That's why as a Shiva was about to toss a newspaper into a bungalow, he spotted its new resident, a kind looking man named Krishna Vedvas. One day he was tossing newspapers into a bungalow and he suddenly met a man. His name is Krishna Vedvas, and this man is very important. His role is very important in this chapter, Shiva's blessing, because due to this man Shiva could build his career. He was washing his car. In his desperation, in his depression or in very awkwardness feeling, was there in the Shiva's mind. Something prompted Shiva to get off his bicycle and talk to Mr. Krishna. Then 40-year-old father to a 5-year-old son and manager at brand consulting firm. Means that person, Krishna Vedvas, he was a very big personality. As far as Shiva's point of view is concerned, he was working as a manager in one of the brand consulting firms. So Shiva Kumar met him and talked with him. That sir, I also wash cars in the morning. Shiva told Krishna, may I wash your car? Sir, I also wash in the means I do any type of work to earn money. That was the intention of Shiva Kumar, to earn money in anyhow condition. So all of a sudden he met this man and suddenly he get that job. Okay. So may I wash your car? He asked to Krishna Vedvas. Years earlier, Shiva's mother had sold so much of her jewelry to get him into Maruti Vidyalaya, an English medium ICSE school not far from their home. Means earlier, before, his mother had also sold her some ornaments, some jewelries to pay his high school fees. That's why Shiva Kumar thinks I should not face any such condition in the future. That's why I have to work somewhere. A good education for Shiva, his parents reckoned, was their only hope. And his parents' hope was to give proper education, good quality education to their child. So Shiva Kumar is thinking, why not to work somewhere and why not to earn money? That's why, quite unlike his well-to-do classmates, Shiva had started delivering newspaper by the age of 10. Now you can understand, this age of 10 is the age of playing. Okay, most of them, means 99% children, they used to play in this age, and Shiva Kumar is delivering newspapers. So we can understand what could be the situation of this poor boy. Now he had to route that cater to 100 homes which brought in 150 rupees a month. See, उसको खाली 150 रुपये महीने के मिलते थे, यानी कि वट एवर work he was doing throughout the month, he was getting only 150 rupees. Means his condition was very bad. His father Nagendra, who drove a company lorry, now bought flowers that his wife strung into garlands, and Shiva and his elder sister Yogeshwari, who went to a local government school, sold the garlands at traffic signal. यानी कि वो उसके जो फादर थे नगेंद्रा, वो घर पे अपनी वाइफ के लिए कुछ फूल लेके आते थे, जिस फूलों का यूज करके वो कुछ मालाएं बनाती. The garlands she used to prepare, and his sister Yogeshwari and Shiva, both they were selling these garlands on the traffic signals. Okay, हम जो फूलों की मालाएं पहनाते हैं हमारे व्हीकल को, तो वही फूलों की मालाएं वो घर पे बनाते थे. Yogeshwari and Shiva Kumar was also helping their mother. So on other places after school, despite all the hard work, money was always tight. You are too young to wash cars and deliver papers, said Krishna. Why do you do this work? And Krishna Vedvas asked, why are you doing this kind of works? This is the age of schooling, so you should go to school. Why are you doing this kind of rubbish work? But actually the condition was different. Shiva wanted to earn money. That's why he was doing this kind of work. Shiva ended up telling Krishna about his family situation. Another day, soon afterwards, he also spoke of the school fee he badly needed, and he talked with his family. Okay, he talked with Krishna Vedvas that anyhow he wanted to pay the fees. If he doesn't deposit 15,000, then he will be struck off the rolls, यानी कि उसको स्कूल से बाहर निकाल दिया जाएगा. That was the situation, because he has to pay 15,000 rupees. That's why he was in a desperate mood, or he was in a depression. Then the desperate boy added, could you please pay it? यानी कि शिवा कुमार कृष्णा वेदव्यास से पूछते कि क्या आप मेरी फीस पे कर देंगे? But I don't even know you. Krishna replied, taken aback by the unexpected request, why don't you check me out at my school? Shiva said, see, शिवा कहता है कि अगर आप मुझे पैसे नहीं देना चाहते तो आप मेरे स्कूल में डायरेक्टली जा सकते, वहां पर मेरी फीस भर सकते. सो anyhow he wanted to pay that fees, so you needn't give the money to me, you can give it to my school so that I may continue with my studies. यानी कि you need not to give the money to me directly, you can pay it to my school so that I can continue my study. The next day Krishna went over to school where he met the principal and some of his teacher. He was pleasantly surprised to discover that the boy had always been topper. यानी कि when Krishna Vedvyas went to his school, he found that he discussed with the teacher and he found that Krishna, this Shiva Kumar, is a topper student. So Krishna paid the fees. That evening Shiva went over to thank Krishna. You don't have to do these small jobs from now, just focus on your studies, I'll keep paying your fees, Krishna told him. Okay, Krishna Vedvyas said कि you need not to do any type of job now furthermore because I'm ready to pay your fees, you just focus on your study, you try to make your career, so I'm there to pay your fees throughout your school or college life. Shiva left smiling, knowing that fees weren't everything, his family need cash for rent and food among the other thing. Means now you can understand friends, his fees has been paid by Krishna Vedvyas, but another one need was there, that his family was staying on rent somewhere, they need food and some other daily needs, and for that purpose they need cash amount, so that Shiva Kumar has to work somewhere else and he has to earn the money. So this was the condition of Shiva Kumar. So he continued working and studying just as a hard. My day started at 4, Shiva recalls, but I made sure I focused on lessons in school and revised them at home. During periods, I taught students who were weak in some subjects. Means see, Shiva Kumar says, after my school, what was my duty? I was coaching to few students, those who are needy, those who are having weak financial condition, and I was trying to revise my lessons. Means my purpose was not to earn money through this particular coaching or tuition whatever he was delivering. So I wanted to continue my study, I wanted to revise the lessons at my home, because during a day I don't get time to give particularly for study. That's why it is very helpful for me. That wasn't for money, यानी कि this is not for money, but it helped him comprehend textbook chapters even before they were taught in the class. Shiva topped his school in the ICSE board exam. Now see, after paying fees, Shiva focused on the study and he stood on the first rank. As for Krishna, he was good as his word, paying the fees at the start of every academic year. Krishna, who Shiva called uncle, यानी कि कृष्णा वेदव्यास को शिवा अंकल कहते थे, had insisted the converse in English, which Shiva did not speak at home. For more fluency on Krishna's advice, Shiva also opted for science in college. यानी कि स्कूल की पढ़ाई खत्म होने के बाद कृष्णा वेदव्यास शिवा कुमार को एक सलाह देते कि आप अभी साइंस कॉलेज में जाके एडमिशन लेंगे, यानी कि साइंस में आपको एडमिशन मिलेगा, यू आर एबल फॉर दैट, ओके, यू आर लायबल फॉर दैट. सो Shiva Kumar get admission in one of the science college. Meanwhile, Shiva's father hired or purchased a Canter mini truck to be self-employed good transport driver. Okay, he also gave up their flower work, which spared their children the task of peddling garlands. Now, after classes, Shiva began working late into the night as a salesman in an electronic shop. उसके बाद शिवा कुमार के फादर एक बड़ी खुद की एक ट्रक खरीद लेते, so that they can fulfill their daily needs and they can run their family properly. And Shiva also started working in one of the electronic shop. He also gave up selling newspaper and that peddling the garlands at home with his mother. So he had to work anyhow. Okay, so with not a minute to spare, Shiva had to forego games, picnic or film that other teenagers enjoyed. Means Shiva did not have time to enjoy the other play, picnic and other things which his playmates were enjoying, because he did not have time, he was continuously busy. Okay, once when his class planned a trip to Kog, which he couldn't afford, a teacher offered to pay Shiva's excursion fee. यानी कि एक बार उनके क्लास ने एक ट्रिप ऑर्गेनाइज किया था, एक प्लान किया था, लेकिन उसके पास उतने पैसे नहीं थे, तो वो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता था. सो हिज टीचर ऑफर्ड हिम. टीचर सेड दैट वी विल पे योर फीस, वी आर रेडी टू पे, यू जस्ट बी रेडी. बट when Shiva happily informed his mother, she refused to accept a favor. And Shiva informed his mother that my teachers are ready to pay my fees, so shall I go for a trip? But mother replies here, this is very important point, dear students, you can remember, you must not indulge in anything with other people's money. She told Shiva firmly, enjoy yourself when you can afford it. यानी कि आप जिंदगी में जब कभी खुद पैसे कमाएंगे तो आप ये बाकी सारी चीजें आप एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज यू कैनॉट इंडल्ज इन अदर्स मनी और अदर्स फेवर. ओके, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एडवाइस गिवन बाय शिवाज मदर. ऑल अलोंग कृष्णा रिमेन्ड हिज गाइड एंड हिज मेंटोर. Take up either mechanical engineering or computer science. There are plenty of job opportunities there, Krishna had suggested. Means after his college, junior college education or 11th, 12th, Shiva Kumar get admission in one of the engineering college in the computer science. So Shiva got into engineering college and chose computer science. Krishna signed Shiva's admission form as his guardian and continued paying the fees. Now see here also for engineering also that Krishna Vedvyas, he helped Shiva Kumar a lot. He paid his admission fees and he also signed his admission form as his parents or as his guardian. And there also Shiva could continue his study. At one point Shiva left his job at the electronic store and started computer repair service with his friends. यानी कि शिवा कुमार ने खुद का अभी कंप्यूटर रिपेयरिंग का एक सेंटर शॉप शुरू किया. With all this, Shiva sometimes reported late for college. Tired, he would doze up in the class. Classmates giggled and teachers rebuked him. Only I know what was going on in my mind, Shiva said. See, बहुत बार ऐसा होता था कि वो क्लास को लेट जाते थे, उनके दोस्त उन पे हंसते थे, टीचर्स उनको बहुत बार गुस्सा करते थे उन पे, लेकिन व्हाट वाज द कंडीशन ऑफ शिवा? शिवा सेज आई नो दैट व्हाट वाज माय कंडीशन, आई हैड टू वर्क समवेयर, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गोइंग लेट टू क्लास. दो व्हाटएवर द अदर पीपल say, I don't bother about them because I have to focus on my work and on my study. So my father struck hardly made any money and I had to keep earning. Means my father was not earning too much, means this was not enough to run my family, so I had to work somewhere. Meanwhile, from newspaper delivery boy in the morning, Shiva graduated to a sub agent with about 50 customers. His premises just the footpath outside a couple of shops where he stacked his newspaper before the shop opened. His earning increased substantially, but the workload had shot up too. He was still delivering papers, but also had to visit homes and offices to collect payment and acquire more customers. यानी कि अभी शिवा कुमार के जो कस्टमर्स थे न्यूज़पेपर के, जो रीडर्स थे, वो अभी बढ़ रहे थे धीरे धीरे, यानी कि 50 कस्टमर टू 500 customers, and during a day he has to collect payments, he has to visit the various locations to collect this kind of amount. That's why Shiva Kumar was trying to improve his business day by day. At one point, the computer firm Wipro selected him as a software engineer after a campus interview. यानी कि उसकी कंप्यूटर साइंस में पढ़ाई कंप्लीट होने के बाद this was the first job that Shiva Kumar get as a software engineer in the Wipro company. Okay, so there may be the question then, describe the first job of Shiva Kumar, or what was the first job of Shiva Kumar. So his first job was as a software engineer in the Wipro company through campus interview. So don't get tempted by the offer, Krishna told him. यहाँ पर कृष्णा वेदव्यास से एक सलाह देते कि don't get tempted, don't get attracted toward this particular job. You have to study for higher education and try to think big. So this could be your thinking. You will have a much better career if you got into IIM, Indian Institute of Management. यानी कि कृष्णा वेदव्यास उनको सलाह देते कि आप अगर इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट जैसी एक बड़ी इंस्टीट्यूट से अगर आपने कुछ मैनेजमेंट की डिग्री हासिल की तो आपको इससे ही बड़ी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल सकती है. सो डोंट गेट टेम्पटेड, डोंट गेट attracted towards this small job opportunity. That sounded like a dream. Shiva says, it was like a dream for me because this was my first job. You can make it, Krishna kept telling him. No doubt about that. Shiva wasn't going to let the good man down. यानी कि जो कुछ भी सलाह शिवा कुमार को कृष्णा वेदव्यास देते थे वो हर सलाह कृष्ण शिवा कुमार सुनते थे. So he began preparing for IIM's common admission test. The long form of this one is common admission test, that is CAT examination. This CAT examination is one of the entrance examination to get into the IIM or Indian Institute of Management. On Krishna's suggestion, he also enrolled in the CAT coaching class. Krishna paid here also 25,000 rupees fees. After attending few lectures, I realized I didn't have the time, so I kept taking the notes and old CAT question papers to study at home, said Shiva. This, how did Shiva Kumar prepared for the CAT examination? This is the question. So Shiva Kumar could not attend all the lectures. He attended only few lectures, but he collected the old CAT examination question papers. He discussed with few of his friends and he prepared for this examination. After Shiva cleared the CAT's written test, Krishna called him home to conduct mock interview and try out group discussions. यानी कि कृष्णा वेदव्यास called him at his home and he prepared him for the group discussions and mock interview. So together they spent hours preparing. Shiva also kept track regularly, watching the news and reading up the current affairs. Okay. Finally made it getting offers from 6 IIMs. This is very important. See, after getting into this CAT examination, Shiva Kumar could prepare for the interview and he got offer from 6 Indian Institute of Management, means 6 IIM institutes in the country. So taking a student loan, Shiva joined IIM Calcutta in 2013, and after that Shiva took student loan and he joined or he got admission in the Indian Institute of Management Calcutta in 2013. So here Shiva's journey starts of the management education. By the time he left for Kolkata, handling the newspaper business to his father to run his clientele and had increased tenfold to about 500. Clientele means the customers or the body of clients. Okay. अब पहले उसके 50 कस्टमर थे तो अभी वो जो न्यूज़पेपर रीडर थे वो 500 हो गए थे, उनका बिजनेस भी बढ़ गया था. सो शिवा कुमार हैंड ओवर दैट बिजनेस टू हिज फादर. March 2015, in their specially furnished two-room house in Banaswadi, Bengaluru, Shiva Kumar, having just graduated from IIM Calcutta and back after the convocation, is telling his parents and sister about the job offer he had just got in e-commerce company dealing in property. See, in 2015, after completion of his IIM degree, Indian Institute of Management, Shiva Kumar got his first job offer. Okay, where he was living. This is the description of that particular place where Shiva got a two-room house in the Banaswadi, Bengaluru. Okay, so he had got the first job offer, and that was, he says, I am joining as a deputy country manager in Sri Lanka in one of the e-commerce company. Where did Shiva Kumar get the second job? That Shiva Kumar get the second job as a deputy country manager in Sri Lanka in one of the e-commerce company, e-commerce dealing company. Okay, so he tells his parents and sister, after 3 months of his training, I will head its Lanka operations. They are providing accommodations to. Ask his father what's the salary, ask his mother. यानी कि वो उसके पेरेंट्स पूछते कि अब आप वापस कब जाने वाले हो, आपकी ट्रेनिंग कब है, आपको सैलरी कितनी मिलती है. यानी कि दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस baffled in their mind, and they are asking to their son, or his sister Yogeshwari is also asking to her brother that how much salary do you get. So Shiva Kumar said the 6-figure pay is something they find hard to digest. Where are you living? Okay, when a dream comes true, the question doesn't end. यानी कि मुझे जो सैलरी मिलती थी वो कितनी थी, तो around 6 digit means more than 1 lakh rupees, or maybe around 1 lakh rupees salary I was getting in the फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट. सो दिस वाज नॉट इजी टू डाइजेस्ट फॉर देम, यानी कि उनको वो बिलीव नहीं कर सकते थे कि इतनी सैलरी मुझे मिलेगी. सो दिस वाज माई career point. Now in the final section of this lesson, Shiva Kumar gives message. Okay, Shiva feels this is the only beginning, although at 24 when the most other are just starting out, here already has 12 years of work experience. Yani ki at the age of 24 he had got this golden job opportunity, others are just finding jobs or they are just starting their career. He plans to remain an employee in the corporate world only for a few years to pay off his education loan and support the family. That's because his entrepreneurial spirit has another plan cut out for him. यानी कि शिवा कुमार ड्रीम इज ओनली आई हैव टू वर्क फॉर फ्यू years in the corporate sector and then afterwards I have to set up my own company whose name would be a global one. See here, Shiva Kumar says I'll set up my own company and make इट अ ग्लोबल नेम, यानी मैं खुद की एक कंपनी इस्टेब्लिश करूंगा और उसकी फेम, उसकी नेम, उसके प्रोडक्ट्स पूरे विश्व में फेमस होंगे. सो दिस इज माई व्हाट माई ड्रीम इज. वट एवर द बिजनेस ही विल ऑल्सो काउंसिल एंड एड स्टूडेंट्स फेसिंग फाइनेंशियल हार्डशिप. यानी कि समाज में जितने भी गरीब स्टूडेंट्स है, बहुत ही उनके पास कुछ भी फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट नहीं है, ऐसे पूरे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए मैं काम करना चाहता हूँ. दिस इज माई dream that I have to work for the students, those who are facing the financial hardship, the financial scarcity those students are having. I want to work for such students. And where did the thought come from? Had it not been for Uncle Krishna Vedvyas, said Shiva, I wouldn't have reached here. I want to multiply the blessings I have received. Whatever blessings I have received from all the people in the society throughout my career, I want to multiply these blessings. I want to work for the poor students. I want to pay for them. So this is the message given by Shiva Kumar in the final section. You can pause the video every time and you can try to understand each and every point very carefully. In the conclusion, we will try to understand in short that what is the story of given in the particular lesson, or what Shiva Kumar had struggled, in which way Krishna Vedvyas helped him. Just we'll try to understand the conclusion. Shiva Kumar was an ambitious boy in spite of the poor condition. He struggled a lot and fought with the situation. Okay, he saw many ups and downs in life and finally he achieved his goal. Shiva's qualities of intelligence, hard working nature, dedication, obedience and being a visionary are inspiring to everyone, those who find hardship and difficulties in their life. यानी कि जो भी लोग है, जो भी स्टूडेंट है, उनके लाइफ में हार्डशिप है, बहुत सारा स्ट्रगल है, उन तमाम बच्चों के लिए शिवा कुमार इज एन इंस्पायरिंग पर्सनैलिटी. सो विद दिस I would like to conclude this chapter, and finally we'll just try to understand the few words which are difficult given in the lesson. You can just go through these words. I'm not going to read each and every one because the word and meaning is given here. Recite all the words because these words are very important. They have contextual meaning. Okay, whatever the words are given in the particular context, their meaning is given here. Just try to understand the, for example, the word is clientele, a body of clients, or mock, to laugh at, or ridicule means किसी के तरफ हंसना, किसी के ऊपर हंसना, यानी कि इस तरीके के कुछ वर्ड्स है तो आप रिमेंबर कर सकते हैं. यू कैन यूज द डिक्शनरी टू रिमेंबर दीज वर्ड्स एंड ट्राई टू रिसाइट. सो विद दिस, थैंक यू वेरी मच. You can pause the videos, watch the complete video. This video could be somewhat big, but anyhow, if you want good comprehension, then you can watch the complete video. So for more details, visit to my YouTube channel eLearn English and watch the more videos. Thank you very much.